Menteri Khana Katnat Agriculture and Cooperation Mohan Bhai Kalyanji Bhai Ulawan ban play a National Cooperative Development Corporation for Development of Cooperatives in Northeastern Region Hakajingalang kabla long ha State Convention Center Shillong. Hakani kasngi la ya don ringkat lang Menteri Khana Katnat Kampo Yeng Kiren Rijiju ki Menteri Rangba Chokathan Chtai Lamingi Bakantop ya ka Jala Meghalaya Nagaland Mizoram Tripura bat kiwei Ukundaria habakren kumukongsan ulong bakani cooperatives kaju ai jingerap ekipai ba nongrep hakeleng keri India bakin yang ban kamai halaki jongki kichat kat bana kaliang ukiran rijiju habakren kumunong sakhot ngobha hakani ke jingelang ulong bakalong kabadan kam ban ai bor ya ki society bakin tresh tom ban kintiu ya kayok kon hendrai halor kani ki dan kam ke jinge thailang iwei namar ki dan kam ban kintiu shaprang Kawai kebadan kam ban pentikina bat ban senguthu bangi dai ban kiew na kajing tristom dala dia kadai tang ka cooperative movement ka ban ai ka jingkersan lem kumta ki babuon kin mat jing
I feel the cooperative movement in different senses can really make a difference. We can buy each other's product. I grow wheat, you make textile, you make some fabric. You are running some grocery. We are dependent on each other. But who will organize that situation? Who will create that platform? This is where the cooperative movement becomes very, very important. The confidence of the people towards cooperative society is really engulfed deeply, and it's because of it has performed. But at the same time, what I want to stress is that we need to transform the life of the people through cooperative societies. And this National Cooperative Development Council has envisaged in its act when it was passed in the parliament to ensure that it reaches out to the people. It must work as a critical filling of the gaps. We must find out that where we are ailing. In every state we must have 2 land ports. Like we have airports, we have seaports, we must have land ports, so that we really function and the people who live in the border area are activated. There must be life. The Northeast must be transformed into economic hub, and for that we need to open up the border. Ministry of Home Affairs, because border management is with Home Ministry, I have taken the lead. At the same time, I have called the ministry officials from finance who look after the customs. And then the Ministry of Trade and Commerce, those who look after all the commercial transactions for those border huts. We have small border hut which is looked after by the Ministry of Commerce. And then I have discussed with many of the stakeholders so that in next few years' time, the Northeast really opens up. For that, we need to increase our productivity. The cooperative unions in various states will play a very critical role.